Imagine if everything you see around you, though seemingly external, is actually within the realm of your own imagination. This world we inhabit is merely a shadow of our inner thoughts and desires. Every object, every achievement, first originated as a thought within someone's mind. Consider the marvel of reaching the moon. Before it became a reality, someone had to imagine every detail, every step of the journey. They had to envision it before it could be brought into existence. And this applies to everything in life, from the simplest objects to the grandest achievements. So, how do we turn our dreams into reality? It starts with having a clear objective, a goal to strive for. Don't be afraid to articulate what you truly want from life. Prayer, in essence, is the act of making our desires tangible, of claiming our aspirations as if they were already within our grasp. It's about embracing hope and actively working towards our objectives. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you desire a baseball, but none is in sight. Close your eyes and imagine holding that baseball in your hand. Feel its weight, its texture. By fully immersing yourself in this imagined experience, you make it more real, more attainable. Similarly, whether it's money, success, or personal growth, we must first visualize it, feel it, believe in it. Our inner world shapes our outer reality. Sure, there will always be skeptics, those who doubt the power of imagination. But history is filled with examples of seemingly impossible feats that were made possible through sheer belief and determination. So tonight, as you go to bed, visualize your desires. Feel them as if they were already yours. And trust that, in due time, they will manifest in your life. It's the power of assumption, of persistently holding on to our dreams until they materialize into reality.